Fly Guy's Amazing Tricks, written by Ted Arnold, retold by Josephine. Buzz had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say Buzz's name. Buzz. Buzz's friends went to see the amazing Fly Guy circus. Buzz said, "Get ready to see Fly Guy's amazing tricks." "First we have the backstroke," said Buzz. "Next we have the dizzy doozy." "Time for dinner," said Mom. All of Buzz's friends went home. At the dinner table, Buzz said Fly Guy learned new tricks. He did the backstroke with Mom's milk. "Stop, Fly Guy!" But Fly Guy didn't hear Buzz. Fly Guy did the dizzy doozy around Dad's head. Finally, Buzz caught Fly Guy. Outside, Buzz said, "I have an idea. Do your tricks only when you hear the word now." A big kid walked by. "Are you talking to a bug?" Buzz didn't answer. "Bug got your tongue?" Buzz still didn't answer. "Answer me," yelled the kid. "Now!" What will Fly Guy do now? Read Fly Guy's Amazing Tricks to find out what happens next.